As developers, we are familiar with HTML. We mastered our craft and learned how to create stunning-looking websites. The main complexity we are dealing with is the amount of JavaScript we have to write to make our projects dynamic. HTMX is a library that solves that and allows you to communicate with the backend without any JavaScript code. But what if we go even further and use an AI coding assistant that knows how to use it? That would be a significant increase in productivity. The first thing that we need to do is to get a self-hosted instance of Refact. It's super simple. Let me show you a couple of options for doing that. You can run the dedicated command to run the Docker container. The link to the instructions in the video's description. Alternatively, you can get started with RunPod. Watch a video about that. The link is in the description as well. Now, when we have everything up and running, we're ready to create our fine-tuned model. Just 2 steps is what it takes to create one. First, upload the source codes or link a GitHub repo with code that is written in the same stack and scan sources. Next, hit the Run Fine-Tune button. The process will start automatically. Though it takes some time, we will feel results immediately. Now we're ready to see the fine-tuning in action. Here's what we're going to do. We will create a simple HTML structure with one center div, a button sign, and a div which we will use to output the to-do items we receive from the backend. The data fetching is something that the hxget attribute handles. No JavaScript code is required. That's how simple it is to do that with HTMX. Using the hxtarget attribute, we can specify which HTML element we want to use as an output target. Let's see 2 demos at the same time to see how fine-tuning helps us with more accurate code suggestions. On the left, we will see the coding demo without fine-tuning, and on the right, with a fine-tuned model that we created previously in this video. We can see that in both cases, Refact is helpful with HTML and Tailwind. Still, when it comes to HTMX attributes, the non-fine-tuned model struggled with correct attributes and suggested incorrect syntax. At the same time, our fine-tuned model is aware of the existing attributes and will deliver the code faster. This is a great achievement and a fantastic boost in productivity. And there we have it. In this video, we've seen how fine-tuning with Refact.ai makes code suggestions better, especially when working with specialized tags like HTMX and Tailwind. If you enjoyed this walkthrough, like this video and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in setting up your own Refact instance, our Discord community is the place where you can get assistance every step of the way. You can find a link in the description of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.